everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you live in Germany or you're planning to move here, August 2026 brings several important changes that you should know about. Some of these changes could save your money, some affects family with children, while others may impact health insurance and so on. Let's go through everything in simplified manner and I will explain what each changes means for you in a real life. So people, those who are not aware about me, myself Priya, I and my husband make videos all about Germany and make expat life easier in Germany. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get regular updates about Germany. If you are ready, come let's get started. This video is sponsored by Expatbusiness.de, who helps immigrants to become an entrepreneur in Germany. If you are one among them and if you want to start your own business or freelancing activity in Germany and looking for guidance where to start, how to register and so on, please do check this website. You will get a clear roadmap from where you have to begin and where you have to end. Not only this, you have an option to talk with an expert and tax consultant, get a complete guidance for this process. Also, they conduct informative events in multiple cities all over Germany. You can also check out their event page to know more about it. You can also come in person and meet them, get a guidance. So if you are one among them and want to start your own business in Germany, please do visit this website and start your journey. First big update is about right to repair. If your smartphone or washing machine stop working just after the warranty expired, usually repairing it was expensive, or the manufacturer simply encouraged you to buy a new one. From 31st July 2026, that starts to change. Manufacturers of certain products such as smartphones, refrigerators and washing machine must continue offer repairing service even after the normal 2-year warranty has ended. If you buy one of these products after 31st July, manufacturers must also design them so that they can actually be repaired more easily. The idea is to reduce electronic waste and help people use their devices for much longer time instead of replacing them. There is another advantage as well. If your product is still under warranty and you choose to repair it instead of replacing it, your warranty will automatically be extended by another 12 months. Not only can you keep your device longer, but you also get extra protection. Next update is about AI generated content. From 2nd August, companies and public authorities will have to clearly label certain content that has been created using AI. This includes AI generated text, images, videos, audios. For example, if a company publishes an images which created by using AI, they need to mention this was created by AI generated one. Another important changes is for parents of primary school children. Starting 1st August 2026, Germany is gradually introducing a legal right to all-day childcare, which is all-day school for primary school students. Many parents struggle to balance work and childcare because school often finishes early in the afternoon. With this new law, children will gradually receive the right to be looked after for up to 8 hours each day. The rollout starts with first grade students and will gradually include all primary school students and all classes over the next few years, with full implementation expected by 2029-2030 academic year. This should make life much easier for many working families across Germany. Coming to the next update is about EU packaging rules, which is coming into effect from 12th August. The main goal is to reduce unnecessary packaging, encouraging recycling and increase the use of reusable materials. You probably won't notice huge difference immediately during your shopping trip. However, over the coming months and years, you may start seeing product with improved recycling labels, more environmental friendly packaging and more reusable packaging options in supermarket and online stores. This is a part of EU long-term plan to reduce waste and protect the environment. Coming to the next update. If you regularly travel with Deutsche Bahn, there is another update you should know about. Germany's railway company is changing Bahn bonus loyalty program. Previously, collecting points worked in fairly fixed way. Now, the number of points required for free tickets will become more flexible. Some tickets may actually require fewer points than before, which is good news. However, popular travel times or routes may require more points because Deutsche Bahn is introducing a dynamic point system, similar to how airline reward programs work. So it's worth checking the number of points needed before booking your next journey. Next update, if you are publicly insured or insured with IKK Classic, your health insurance contribution is increasing from August. The additional contribution is rising by 0.45%, bringing the total contribution rate of 18.45%. If you are an employee, the extra cost is shared equally between you and your employer. However, if you are self-employed and voluntarily insured, you will have to pay the full increase amount by yourself. The good news is that whenever the statutory health insurance provider increases its additional contribution, members have special rights to switch to another health insurance provider without waiting for the normal switching periods. So, if you are affected, it may be the good time for you to compare with the other health insurance provider and make the right decision. So coming to the end, so those are the biggest changes coming to Germany in August 2026. Some of these changes are designed to save consumers money, other improve transparency around AI, support working families, or encouraging more sustainable living. Let me know in the comment section which of these changes will affect you the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya.